So over here you can see that by default you have this language of the application in English, as you can see. But if I want to change around the display language, then you can easily go around over here onto your profile and then go to settings right here. Once you do that, over here you can see that under account, the language set right now is English. So you can go around and click right here and choose another language as you want. For example, you can go ahead and select Dutch, let's say for example, and click on update the settings. And then what happens is that the application restarts, and as you go around over here, now you can see that particular language right here. You can go around over here and then let's say for example go to your settings right here. You need to go to the first option, then go around onto the first option, and here you will see the language. So you can go around and select the language and press the green button right here, and as you do that, now you can see that the language is changed to the other one right here. You want to go ahead and change back, you can go around over here on the settings, and then what you can do is again choose English right here to revert back right here just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and choose out language inside of Spendee. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.